If you manage properties, your admin is probably eating your business alive. You've got tenant data scattered across spreadsheets, inquiries coming through email, WhatsApp, and phone with no central place to actually track them. Maintenance requests are getting lost, and a website that either doesn't exist or hasn't been updated in years. You're paying 2 to 5K a month across multiple tools that don't actually talk to each other, and your team is spending more time pushing paper than actually growing your portfolio. I just built the entire replacement for a property management client in under 60 minutes. Not a mock-up, not a template, it's actually a working system, lead management, property listings website, and maintenance tracking all in one place. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 systems that every property company needs and what they actually do for your bottom line. How replacing disconnected tools with one unified platform can save you 3 to 5K every single month and 10 plus hours of work every single week. And then how you can get a system like this running for your portfolio without you having to hire developers or waiting several months. If you stay until the end, I'll show you exactly how this would work for your business, whether you manage 10 units or 500. So let's get right into the video. Now, if you're new here, my name is Rahul and I run an AI automation agency based in London where we build custom systems for service-based businesses. And some of our clients are in the property management space, and for them, we're replacing their expensive software stacks and eliminating a lot of their repetitive admin. If you want to see exactly how a system like this would work for your business, then hit the top link in the description below to book in a call with myself. Okay, so let me actually run you through what this system can do. So from here, we have the onboarding page, and we can actually get started by going through the onboarding process. You can see here, from your point of view, you basically be educated in terms of what the platform can do. We then go through and we can actually enter the company name. So let's call it London Property. And we can say that we've got 200 plus units, we're based in London, UK, and we can click continue. And then we can select which channels we want to connect up. So let's say we connect up WhatsApp and email, and then also a website chat. We click continue, and then it says we're all set. We go through, we go to the dashboard, and we actually get everything in here. So we have an overview of our entire portfolio, all of the properties that we manage, the occupancy rate, the open tickets, any new leads, rent collected, average response time. Everything is laid out very nicely in this dashboard. And this can be super customized to your business and your actual internal workflows. We then have the leads tab here where we can actually go through the leads pipeline. So we can see all of the new leads, the contacted ones, the viewings, negotiation, and won. And that actually gives us a bit more of an insight into all of the sales side of things. Then if we come here, we can actually see our property portfolio. So we've got a bit more information on the buildings and the units. And then if we go into the maintenance tab here, you can see all of the maintenance tickets that are currently open and how they are being handled. So you can see a priority status, you can see what property they apply to, the issue. We've got an ID, which is attributed with each ticket. We've got the status, whether they're completed, in progress, assigned, submitted. And then we've got the contractor that we've actually allocated the task to, and then when the task was also created. Now, this is just a general idea of what the interface could look like. We can obviously customize things to your specific workflows and how you actually want things working. And then we've got the rent section here where you can actually go through and you can see all of the rent. So the total due, the collected, the overdue, renewals that are coming up. And you can actually go through and see all of the tenants. So if you run a property management company and you have 10 properties or even 100 plus properties, then having a system like this in place is definitely something that you want to look into. In the past, it used to take months to build out this kind of software, and it would cost high 5 figures or even low 6 figures as well to get something like this built out. But nowadays, we can actually build out these systems in weeks, and it costs a lot less, so it's a lot more accessible to you guys. So one of our clients is running a property management company with 200 plus units across the UK. And they have a super small team of people just handling everything. That would be the tenant inquiries, landlord reporting, maintenance coordination, and new inquiries coming through. Now, I'm guessing if you run a property management business, that likely sounds familiar. You might get tenant calls coming through about a leak, and then a team member has to search through 3 different spreadsheets to find their details and property info, and then actually log that issue somewhere and then allocate a relevant contractor to actually handle it. Lead is completely gone. Or you might have a maintenance request coming in through WhatsApp. Someone writes it on a whiteboard, a contractor never gets called, and then a tenant chases a week later, and then a landlord actually sends an angry email because the entire process is completely broken. Or even some of your landlords, at the end of the month, they want to report on how things are going. So your team actually spends 2 hours pulling data from 4 different places into a spreadsheet and curating that for each landlord that you work with. If you have an extensive property portfolio, those costs just significantly stack up. So 60% of your admin time is spent on tasks that follow the same pattern every single day. And you're likely paying 2 to 5K a month across separate tools for email marketing, CRM, website hosting, maintenance tracking, none of which actually talk to each other and integrate to create one unified system. And then you've also got several contractors and VAs that you potentially don't even need because you can automate their side of things as well. So you probably know that your admin is super inefficient, but you probably don't realize how much it's actually costing you. If your average inquiry response takes about 5 days because follow-ups are manual, you're losing prospects to competitors who respond a lot faster. One lost tenancy per quarter at $1,200 per month rent is $14,400 per year in lost revenue. And you can also be losing tenants just due to poor communication. Tenants who don't feel heard, they tend to leave. And even just a small increase in annual churn on a 200 plus property business creates tens of thousands in turnover costs each year. That's just due to things like void periods, marketing, referencing, and cleaning. And then you're also likely wasting a lot of admin hours as well. If you have 3 staff spending 60% of their time on repetitive tasks, then that's roughly 90 hours a week of capacity going towards work that should be automated. And then of course you have several SaaS subscriptions, several tools you're paying for, and that can be 2 to 5K a month on disconnected tools that don't actually connect and work together in unison and actually relay data across to each other. So there could be much better software out there that you can adopt and you can actually integrate. And because you haven't got proper systems, there could be maintenance delays, and every delayed repair ends up costing a lot more. A small leak that isn't logged for a week becomes a $3,000 problem instead of a $200 fix when it's found in its early stages. So ultimately the fix is having one system that can handle everything. So it's a single unified platform that replaces an entire software stack. You can have a lead management dashboard, so every tenant, landlord, lead, and contractor is searchable in one place. You can have a property website which is professional, mobile friendly with online inquiries and tenant self-service, and this can be directly integrated into the lead management dashboard. And then you can have an operations tracker as well to track maintenance from request to completion, rent tracking, landlord reporting, and it can all be automated. And the best thing is all of this stuff can be custom built for your business, tailored to exactly how you work. So it's not configured around someone else's ideas of property management. It's actually built, tailored to your specific workflows and your business. So you describe exactly what you want in plain English, and we can bring that system into reality. An example of some of these systems that you could build out could be this system here, where you never lose a single lead again. Now, before implementing a system like this, you've probably got tenant info scattered across 3 different spreadsheets, no visibility on where inquiries actually sit. All of your follow-ups might be done manually, callbacks could be forgotten or delayed for days, and there's no record of past interactions. So your team starts from scratch on every single phone call. And then monthly reporting means that it takes 2 hours in Excel every time a landlord actually asks for something. But then after automating this process, you can have every contact searchable in 2 seconds. Tenants, landlords, leads, and contractors as well. And you can have a visual pipeline actually showing where every single inquiry, viewing, and lead sits. You can have automatic follow-up reminders. So if the lease is renewing in 60 days, if the tenant hasn't confirmed a viewing, you can trigger an automatic reminder. So the full interaction history can actually be logged as well for every single contact. Every call, email, and note logged directly within the system. And then you can have a real-time dashboard. So you can track occupancy rates, response times, rent collection, upcoming renewals, all visible just at one glance. So the main impacts this will have on your business are the fact that the response time for new inquiries will drop from days down to hours, and there'll be 0 leads actually falling through the cracks. Admin time on reporting is cut by over 80%. You have full visibility for the first time. Every single team member can see the same picture. Now, another system you can implement will be a website unified with the dashboard and the internal systems as well. Now, within that website, you can have listings that actually update themselves. So when a unit becomes available in the system, it shows on the website automatically. You can have photos, details, pricing availability, all completely up to date. So prospective tenants can actually browse available properties and submit their details from their phone. And every inquiry goes straight into the pipeline. You can have a tenant self-service portal. So instead of tenants having to phone or send WhatsApp messages, tenants can simply log in, they can describe the issue, attach photos, and submit it, and they can check the status at any time. Then you can also have a more professional presence just via your website. Because it looks sharp on every device, you can build trust with landlords, evaluating whether to give you their portfolio as well. And then in terms of tenant resources, you can actually give them more FAQs, you can explain house rules, emergency contacts, you can reduce the volume of basic calls your team handles every single day. So ultimately, the impact on the business here is that inquiries can come into the business at any hour and can be handled immediately throughout the system. You have a 40% reduction in inbound phone calls because tenants can use the self-service system instead. You have a much more professional presence, which ultimately helps you to win landlords' confidence. And then all of the listings on your website are current as well. But someone just needs to go through to your website and they can just check straight away whether the listing is actually available. And then this system here helps with the maintenance process. This is where a lot of property companies bleed the most time and money. And this is where the system delivers the most returns. Now, before having a system like this in place, a lot of tenants phone about issues and sometimes they write it down. There's no tracking on what's been reported, assigned, or completed. Contractors don't really know the job details until they actually arrive. Tenants are chasing, landlords are complaining, and small issues become expensive problems. So what you can do is you can have tenants actually submit requests from their phone with photos and a description, and every job is tracked from submission to completion. Who reported it? When? What sort of priority level is it? Who's the assigned contractor? What's the status of the job? That can all be tracked very easily. And contractors can be notified instantly with job details, photos, and access instructions as well. Tenants and landlords can actually check the status at any time, so there's no more chasing. Everything can be automated at every stage, whether the task is assigned, in progress, or completed. And then monthly reports can be generated for landlords automatically, so they have clear overview on how everything is going. And then you can also have a better financial tracking dashboard, so you can track who's paid, who's late, any upcoming renewals. Everything can be color-coded internally. So in terms of the actual business impact this would have, it means that the actual average maintenance resolution time would be cut in half. There's zero lost or forgotten requests. All of the landlords actually receive professional reports without the team having to lift a finger. Small issues can be caught and fixed before they actually become expensive problems. And then also, tenants who feel heard actually stay longer. So that means there's lower churn and more stable revenue. And this is exactly what your day could look like if you implemented a system like this. So before having this sort of system, on a Monday morning, you might wake up at 9 a.m. You have to open 4 different apps and 3 different spreadsheets. You're then checking your emails to piece together all of the weekend inquiries. You're phoning contractors about outstanding maintenance. You're searching through spreadsheets for tenant details. And then you're manually compiling reports for landlords. But then after implementing something like this, you can have one dashboard where everything is logged straight into there. All of the weekend inquiries will automatically have been added into your sales pipeline. All of your maintenance jobs will be submitted and already assigned automatically to a relevant contractor. You then have a clear rent overview as well in terms of what's overdue and any reminders that need to be sent out. And then all of your landlord reports are automatically done. You just have to go and review them and then hit send, and then it's all sorted. So work that was previously taking you hours could easily be done in minutes. So now let's actually talk through the numbers and what sort of ROI this can actually generate from your company. So in terms of admin time saved, you could be saving 10 to 15 hours every single week across the team. You can also cut back on a lot of software costs. Previously, you may have been spending 3 to 5K every single month on disconnected tools, but now you can replace a lot of them with one unified system. You would also have much faster lead response time. Inquiries that previously sat for days now get followed up within hours. So that means there's higher conversion rate and much higher occupancy of your properties. And then ultimately, even a small reduction of churn will save you tens of thousands every single year. And then of course you have maintenance cost reductions as well, because if the issues are caught earlier before they have a chance to sort of spread and get worse, then you can dispatch contractors faster and sort the problems whilst they're small, and the cost is a lot less. And you can also increase your landlord retention because you have professional reporting and visible management, which landlords really appreciate. So the old way of building out these systems is it would be completely custom and cost about 30 to 50K to build out and take 3 to 6 months, and then there'd be a lot of ongoing costs for every single change. Or you can go with an off-the-shelf software, which would cost 2 to 5K a month, and it doesn't really fit your workflow, and then data is also locked into someone else's platform. But with our way of building things, we can get you an MVP built in one afternoon for a fraction of the cost, and changes and additions can be done in minutes and not weeks, and you would also own everything in terms of the software. Now, property management companies are one of the last industries to modernize, but that is completely changing. Companies with unified systems are able to manage a lot more units with fewer members of staff. Whilst other companies are tracking maintenance on whiteboards, you'll actually have real-time dashboards and automated reporting. Landlords are also starting to expect this level of professionalism, And this isn't about being tech savvy, it's about removing the friction that's been holding your business back. So if you're running a property management business and you're still running on spreadsheets and disconnected tools, then there's a completely better way. Click the top link in the description below to book a free AI strategy call with myself, and I'll show you exactly how a system like this would work for your specific portfolio, whether you manage 10 units or 500. And there's no pressure, no fluff, just a clear picture on how to cut your admin time in half and actually scale. Also, feel free to drop a comment down below so I can hear exactly what tools you're using and what your biggest frustration actually is. And subscribe for more content on AI for property management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.